Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Salih Sharma here. Raining has given me a little window and I thought, let's go fly FPV. So either to abandoned clubhouse or the Olympic parks, let's go and fly the Armor 85 HD brushless with an SD recording DVR on board, and we'll see what we get. Of course, I'm riding my DuoTork, and this thing is crazy fast. That is why I'm wearing complete protection gear. Right, this is my little horse nowadays, and we're gonna go to... My seat seems to be really low, but low center of gravity is basically better compared to high center of gravity. Nobody's here. Engage the dual motors. Oh man! Goodbye, boss. Oh! What? Oh, come on, man! This is simply crazy. Picks up speed really fast. Okay, this is the Olympics Park, and let's find a place to sit down. Fly FPV with Armor HD. It feels underpowered, and I broke the frame. Awesome! With this little hit, I broke the frame. Alright, had a little bit of fun. It's getting darker, I don't know why. Maybe it's gonna rain, so I still want to fly those little 2 points, but before that, there's one more spot I want to try to fly the Armor HD. So let's quickly go there, shall we? Pretty stable. The scooter basically is pretty stable, man. I like it. But at high speeds, you don't want to turn the steering too much. I mean the handle. No motors, baby. Oh, I love that thing. Actually, I can actually stand up and ride it. But sitting is much more comfortable, basically. Dual motors, baby. Oh, oh boy! I love the torque, man. I simply love the torque and the way it picks up speed so quick. Loving that, man. Forgot that I was still in dual motors. Ooh. Oh. Yeah, baby. Ooh, we arrived. Okay, near the book. This looks like a good spot, huh? Alright man, I had fun flying here with Armor HD and the Duotork R349. And honestly speaking, the speed and the torque, the punch, the performance on this Duotork 349, it really scares me. I mean, I have flown faster quads, but this is by far the fastest among all the quads that I have flown. This thing really gives me creep with its speed. Well, let's go home. I still have two little very nice RC airplanes to introduce to you. One is J11, a jet, and another is Predator RQ11, I believe. And those little planes actually have built-in stabilization system. I was thinking to drive the car to RC airport, but then I thought, hey, DuoTork, the electric scooter, is more than enough. I think I'll just put the box down there on the footrest area and rides nice and slow all the way to RC airport and introduce those little RC planes to you, and of course enjoy flying them. Man, this FPV backpack really has been proving very useful. I still have space here to hang one bigger quad as well. There you go, DuoTork fits everything perfectly. These little planes, one is the XKJ11 and another one is Predator. I don't know which company is this. ZHCHORC Toys. Don't know how to pronounce that. Yeah, baby, we smoked all the competition. Dual motors, they are the bomb, man. It shoots like a rocket. Ah! All right, man, craziness off. Single motor only. We are at our favorite place, the RC airport. I brought my planes to RC airport on DuoTork. Isn't it the most useful things in my life? My Sony NEX5T, I didn't charge the camera and I was wondering what to do, how to charge the camera, and then I realized here I have a USB charger, and there you go, charging my Sony NEX5T with a big battery down there. I mean, anything that needs a USB charger, this is the biggest power bank that you can actually ride as well. It's flying superb. Sounds like two mosquitoes are actually fighting. So I'm gonna do it right in front of me, like that. Yeah, baby. Yeah, we are pulling high alpha. We are pulling high alpha here. And smooth landing. Alright people, had fun with these mini planes. Check out the video reviews of these two little planes on my channel. and definitely the Armor HD Pro. And don't forget to check out the video of the R349 flying. That was really fast and scary. Now let's go home, warm up ourselves, and have some warm tea. Work on these videos so I can bring these videos to you as soon as possible. My little dual motor horsey is ready. And move the horsey a little. Come on, horsey. Horsey wakes up. Yeah. We are nice and secure. Both boxes. Wait a moment. Let me enjoy a punch on dual motors. Most of these people here around me, they basically have seen those slow scooters, you know, 30 kilometer, 40 kilometer per hour maximum speed. When people watch me wearing all this safety gear on this scooter, they actually wonder why this foreigner is so careful. Why is he wearing so much safety gear on just a scooter? Well, what they don't know, that the E-Mobo DuoTork is not just another ordinary scooter. Oh, they killed a cow. I mean, that's a restaurant. Beef. So yes, once again, people do not know that the little beast I'm riding here is not just another ordinary scooter. This scooter this scooter definitely needs safety gear, people. Boy. Okay, someday maybe I'll try to put on a show for locals here and how fast this scooter is. Just need a little practice, man. This thing pulls wheelies. We are home. And who is this? Park the car this way that my car cannot come out. Let's put everything in. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right